Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Michelle Lai from Premier Clinic. Today I would like to introduce to you a topic of non-surgical facelift. Without any surgery, we can improve the sagging face. Okay, this is the Ultherapy. This Ultherapy actually is a FDA approved machine. It's been few years in the market. Why is it declared as a FDA? Because most probably they won't be the very minimum or no side effect, and they clinically tested be very can be deliver improvement, and it works. That's why it's a FDA approved machine. So Ultherapy is a non-surgical facelift machine. What technology that they're using for Ultherapy is called HIFU, high intensity focused ultrasound. So okay, you can see here, you know, those people aging skin, right? You can see that the collagen has been losing in the dermis layer and deeply into the muscles layer. But after we have done the treatment, you can see that this is the focused energy that deliver into the deeply into the muscle layer and deep dermis layer. So after done already, the collagen stimulation can be improved, and then you can improve the sagginess of the skin because collagen stimulations again. So this is the technology behind the Ultherapy. So basically, right, you can see this is the diagram of our skin. So here is the epidermis layer, you know, upper part of the skin. This is the dermis layer. Lower part here is the fat and subcutaneous tissues. And the lower part is the muscle layer. So basically, using this Ultherapy, we have a few handpiece: 4.5 mm, 3.0 mm, and 1.5 mm. So basically, why is it so important and so special about this handpiece? So using this handpiece, actually, the 4.5 mm actually can penetrate deeply into the muscles layer, so that we can focus all the energy into the muscles layer. So when we use the 3.0 mm here, you know, we can target on the deeper dermis layer. So when we use the 1.5 mm is the upper part of the dermis layer. So when a 4.5 here, muscle layer, deep dermis layer, or maybe fat layer, and then dermis layer, upper dermis layer, we're using 1.5 mm. So when all the energy being penetrate deeply into the skin, it will form a collagen stimulation and a network to hold each other, you know, after 2 to 3 months. At least some patients can achieve a very good result, most probably after 6 months, but basically 3 months should be okay. So why and where it can be done for this treatment? Usually we can do around the eye area, you know, for the eyebrow lift, around the jawline here, you know, improvement for the jawline definitions, double chin layer, skin, and decollet, this kind of area. So basically, the treatment is very simple. It's a lunch hour treatment, taking around 1 hour. So how about the pain? The pain usually is tolerable. Seriously, if it's very painful, maybe some patients require some painkiller before the treatment. Otherwise, it's tolerable. So what will you experience after do the Ultherapy? Most of the patients, they will experience some of the soreness, some swollen surrounding the lower part here. Why? Because when we do the treatment, mostly we focus around this area, so you experience it. Usually been resolved around like 7 days and 10 days. So basically, how bad is it? So after you have done this treatment, you can just walk off, you can just back to your working life without any MC, without any leave. So basically, you don't have to worry much about this treatment. So of course, you know, those patients that very sagging, you know, very bad, very loose skin, it's recommended to repeat another sections after 3 to 6 months later. So how about the maintenance? Of course, you know, people sag, people age, you know, from time to time collagen losing will be more, you know, when it passes by the years. So it's recommended maintenance one, at least that do 1 year 1 time, it will be great enough, you know. So basically, you want to see the before after of those people been done, you know, Ultherapy. This is the clinical studies that actually they have been done, but in real life also it's really good. So basically, okay, can see around here, you know, this beautiful lady here, you know, The jawline is less defined. You can see that, you know, there is no any jawline definitions, and the skin is a bit loose over the neck area. After done, you know, around like 90 days later, you can see the improvement here. But of course, after you have done the Ultherapy, is for non-surgical facelift. You know, for volume loss patients usually, or client, you need to do more things like filler to fill up the volume loss around the cheek area, you know, sometimes laughing line, and then it will give much more better result, you know, much more fresh look, much more younger look. Okay, this is the patients, another one, same patients, you can see or not, jowling here, but after done already around 90 days, result quite good. Okay, how about this one? This is the eyebrow lift without any surgical interventions. You see the droopy eyelid, you can see or not, the upper loop skin here. After done already, they will be lifted. This is after around 6 months. How about this? This is the before. Then you can see that, you know, after you've done it, your eyebrow more lifted. Then your eyelid here actually is more tightened. Then you can see the eye become bigger. Okay, see? Droopy eyelid, you know, after done already, more fresh look. Okay, same goes to these two patients. Okay, next one, let's see, what is that? Oh, this is, okay, this is the most bothering problem with most of the women and men. Okay, this is the, you know, loose skin here, you know, people say. So after done already, almost like 3 months later, you can see the tightening effect is quite good. Can you see? Yeah, can see, right? So this is another one, before, after. Yeah. Some patients maybe like a very bad one, maybe you require one more sessions. It's hard to, you know, hard to really want to explain it, but sometimes some patients really maybe require one more sessions. Of course, I know the younger you do for this treatment, the faster that you can maintain the collagen loss, so that you don't get old easily, pretty longer time. So this is the before and this is the after. Before and this is the after. You see, the skin is very loose. After that, you can see the tightening some more. Okay. Same again. This is another one. Before and after. Okay. Oh, the neckline, you see. See the double chin here, after done here. 6 months later. Okay. The neck area, the chest area can be done. Can see or not? Oh, the wrinkles, fine wrinkles after done, actually quite good. So basically, you don't have to worry much. This treatment is very good, effective basically. So if you want to know more about our therapy, okay, you can just come over to our premier clinic so that we can explain to you more details, you know, to suggest you more treatment about yourself. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.